Hi, I'm Steve Jagler, Executive Editor at BizTimes Milwaukee. I'm here today with Kay Planis. Kay, welcome to Milwaukee.
Happy to be here, Steve.
Kay will be the keynote speaker at the CEO Strategies Breakfast at the BizTech Conference and Expo on April 28th. Kay's latest book, Beyond Price, Differentiate Your Company in Ways That Really Matter. We'll start our conference by focusing on the core strategies in this book. Kay, I wonder if you could give us a thumbnail description about why this book is important to business owners.
Well, every industry, no matter what industry you're in, has its own version of Walmart, the company with the lowest cost structure to serve a group of customers. If you don't want to be your industry's Walmart, you better avoid becoming Sears. You need to figure out how to differentiate your company in a way that really matters to a group of customers so that you can sell beyond the lowest price. It's extremely important right now because this recession has given price Herculean power. All the customers are out there looking for a great deal, whether they're looking as consumers or businesses looking to buy from businesses. So it's critical coming out of the recession that you figure out how are you going to uniquely compete in your market so that you can earn the profit premiums for the hard work that you do.
So how does a company go about the process of reinventing its business model in this post-recession economy? How does that process work?
You have to take a step back and drop all the implicit assumptions you have about what business you're really in. You need to listen to customers, perhaps customers that you've lost, even customers that you've never talked with. Think about how technology might be changing in your industry. Figure out what you're uniquely good at, and then reconceive a business that could do something of high value that's very uniquely done for a group of customers.
It's important to establish tomorrow's business plan today. I know you have some thoughts about the situation that Blockbuster is in. I wonder if you could enlighten us about that situation and how they needed to be more proactive to avoid the position they're in today.
Absolutely. Blockbuster defined its business too narrowly as retail sales and rentals of videos for home enjoyment. But in doing their business so narrowly, other companies came in like Netflix, and the kiosk that you might see outside your grocery store is yet a different company that's come in and found a way to provide videos more conveniently to the home viewer. So Blockbuster really didn't think about how video viewership was going to change, and they failed to evolve their business model. Well, now they're going to try to do what their competitors have done, but whenever you chase a leader, it's very hard to catch up.
I invite you to attend the CEO Strategies Breakfast and learn more about the insights that Kay has for business owners and managers and companies throughout southeastern Wisconsin. We invite you to attend the expo on April 28th and 29th in Milwaukee at State Fair Park.